All right, so after the massive backlash that I've received in the comment section, I'm going to do a quick sound demo of this super cool Westone Concord Dose 2, the Duo. So yeah, I cleaned it up. I can't remember if I did really it wasn't much to do. Again, I cleaned the frets, put strings on it. That was it. This thing's in great shape. Intonated it, intonation a little bit off, but yeah, check it out. Look at this thing, huh? Frets are all clean. Those are so tiny. I wouldn't be able to, if they were uneven, I'd have to replace them. Or just have them be really flat. My crowning file wouldn't even touch the top of those. Very cool. All right, let's do a little sound demo. Plus, I want to play it again because it's a cool guitar. All right, get in your holder. Ready? Pause. All right, here we go. Here we got some clean action. Start with the bridge pickup. And I have not tuned this thing since yesterday. Wow, that's pretty full for a Strat style bridge pickup. Here's the in between. Oops. Or however that goes. Middle. Nice, nice. I like this position. That's what she definitely said. Nice and shiny. And we got the neck. All right, let's add a little crunch. Ready? Let's get the amp going here. Who's dinging? There we go. I think that's on like a brick. This is the Cube 30, so it's like a brick combo is what they're calling this one. Let's get a little more out of there. We go. We'll gain back a bit. Wow, that sounds pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I dig it. Oh, that's nice, actually. How's that go? I can't think. What is it? However that goes. This is a cool guitar. I really like it. Anyway, now that this great injustice has been rectified, hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you later. Do all the subscribe-y stuff. Press the buttons right there. Okay, later. See ya.